Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a huge B&M haul. It has been a while guys, but if you're interested to see what I picked up, then just continue to watch. So hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliette and I do new videos on this channel every week. And if you're one of my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. So today I thought I would do a B&M haul. It's been a very long time since I've done any kind of Home Bargains, Poundland, B&M haul for sure. But basically I watched a B&M haul and then I had to go out and buy loads of stuff. No, I needed some cleaning products. There's a few things that I wanted to get for Christmas and a few things for the dog. So yeah, there's a lot of cleaning products in this one actually, that some new products that I haven't seen or used before. So really excited to share those, which is bit weird to say, but I am. And yeah, if you've already watched Gemma Louise Miles' B&M haul, then you're probably going to see a lot from that, because I wrote a list after watching her video and had to get loads of things. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing I picked up were two of the, I'm just going to grab things out of the bag by the way. The first two things that I picked up were these throws. So these are just plain cream fleecy throws. I got two of these. I'm sure, yeah, one of them's over there. They were £5 each. Now I probably should shop around for these and get them a bit cheaper, but I use these for the sofa. The dog doesn't go on the sofa luckily at the moment, but I always do cover our Chesterfield anyway. So yeah, I picked up two of these for £5. They are 125 centimetres by 150 centimetres. And yeah, picked up two of those. The biggest thing that I went in to get, now I need your opinion on this guys, I need your help. So you've seen my bedroom, right? I really wanted to get some teddy bedding. I've never tried it before, but with all like the turning the heating off and everything, I'm always one of these people that used to just have the heating on all the time. I know it's terrible, but I'm really having to hammer down on that. And so I thought I would invest in some teddy bedding because everybody always raves about it. So I thought I'd get some. Now I originally went in to get the cream one that I saw on Gemma Louise Miles' video, but then I saw this forest green. Now it looks loads darker on camera. Let me see if I can bring it up close. It's like this forest green colour, and I thought that it was just really different and then like festive. But now, you know, I'm questioning myself. I don't know whether to go and swap it, because then obviously a cream one I could wear all year round, whereas a forest green is more just like for the winter festive period, isn't it, because it's a bit dark. Anyway, I picked this up. It's a king size and it was £30. They had this colour, they had cream, they had grey, I want to say they had like a blue colour, I can't remember, and I think they had pink as well. But yeah, I picked up this forest green. My bedroom is very, if you haven't seen the video, I can link it here so you can see my bedroom. It's very cream white woods, and I just thought it was like a very, I thought it would go really well, but I'm questioning myself, so you let me know. Okay, the next thing I picked up are, shall we do some cleaning products? I picked up some Harpic pine. Now here's a fact, I've never smelt pine before. Oh, I quite like it. I quite like that. I've never really used pine. I always use the Domestos, like proper bleach, or ones with bicarb in. But this is mountain pine Harpic, and I actually really like that. Just picked one of those up. Also picked up this. This again I saw on her video and Gemma's video. So I picked up this Dish Daddy, and I saw this and I was like, I need that, because I use the Dishmatic, used it for years, absolutely love it, really good. But the pads, I go through them so quickly because they're just like sponge with a tiny bit of Brillo, not even Brillo, it's just a tiny bit of scourer, whereas these are actual like Scrub Daddy heads, which I feel will last a lot longer. Then it's also got a little stand, so it's all rubber and it's a stand so you can stand it up next to the sink. And you instead of, so with the Dishmatic you fill it and it just constantly comes out, the soap that you put in the handle, whereas this one you put soap in the handle, but you push this button on it to dispense the soap, so you only have to dispense what you use, which is great because the Dishmatic empties really, really fast to the point where I have to dilute it. And it's got a built-in little, I don't know if you can see it on here, little scraper, look, to get like stubborn bits off. And then with Scrub Daddies, I don't know if you know this, if you don't, but when they're dry they're firm, and then when you get them wet they go soft in hot water. So I thought that was so good. Yeah, so you just fill up the handle. So I picked that up, and then I also picked up a 2-pack of the heads as well, because I didn't know how popular these were going to be. Like, if somebody starts sharing them, you never know. So yeah, I picked up those, and I'm really excited to try those. The one that Gemma had actually had a yellow handle, but the one in my store had a blue handle, so I assume there's different coloured handles you can get. Okay, so next up I picked up some Sephora wipes. Again, I'd seen these, but these are Winter Spice. These are biodegradable 108 large wipes. I love a wipe because I just feel like sometimes they're just so convenient. These looked really lovely, and they smell, let's smell. Oh, they smell incredible, like so nice. I can't wait to use those in my kitchen. These smell a little like the Winter Spice smells a little bit like my cranberry and orange Sephora, which is my favourite Sephora scent of all time. I only use Sephora in the winter so I can get my cranberry and orange out. So yeah, I bought some of those Winter Spice wipes. It's a massive pack actually, 108. I got what I went in for, and that is the Febreze plug-in spiced apple, and it's got a little scratch and sniff thing on the front so you can smell it, but it smells incredible. So the one thing that I've heard about these plugins, because I don't think I've ever used a plug-in before. I've never used a plug-in. I used to have one of those things that like every so often, or when you walked past it, but I found they just kept breaking. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but they just stopped working all the time. I was putting fresh batteries in, putting the right cans in. Don't know what I was doing, but it wasn't working. So I always have candles burning, and they're not the best things to have, especially if you've got animals and kids in the house. Obviously, I never leave them unattended, but you know what I mean. Sometimes it's good to have something different, and I thought I would buy this, especially now having the dog. I'm really paranoid of the house smelling of dog. Especially like a wet dog, like if you've been out and it's been raining. I mean, I'm already stressing about it because it's just something that I get anxious about. Like, I don't want anybody to come to the house and be like, wow, that's dog smell. So yeah, long ramble. Bought these. I think they were about £5.50 for the plug and for the 3-pack, and then you can buy these here separately, but it's supposed to last 90 days. And apparently they do a pet one as well, because I saw that on Miss Greedy's Instagram the other day. So yeah, I'm going to have a look for one of those. 2 more things in cleaning. I'm not a cleaning channel, just so you know. I just wanted to get some Christmassy stuff. I picked up this Fairy Christmas Spiced Apple to go in my new Dishmatic. My new Dish Daddy. I had to get that though. It smells just like apple, and I normally have the apple one anyway, so that one's like just a bit of a spicy apple. Love that. And then the last cleaning bit, I think, is some Carpet Fresh. I love this stuff. This is the Thai Orchid and Passion Fruit, which smells incredible, but I also have the Winter Berries. If you can find Winter Berries, get it. I don't know if it was a limited edition that they only did the 1 year, and luckily I've got a can left from last year, but the Winter Berries one just smells insane. It's just Christmas in a spray. But this was the one I picked up because this is the pet one. Does anybody know this actually? When it says pet on these, when you buy any cleaning products that's got pet on, I always wonder whether that means it's because they are better at fighting odours and smells that pets make, or does it mean that that is better to use with animals? Because you know, as Sephora do a pet one, does that mean because that one's then safe around animals? I really don't know, but I've just started buying things with pet on them just in case that is the case. Because the cats, you know, they don't care, they just do whatever they want, but the dog will eat anything, won't he? So yeah, I picked up that 1001 Carpet Fresh Pet in Thai orchid and passion fruit. And that, my friends, is the end of any cleaning products. So I'll quickly do the dog bits because I know not everybody wants to see that. I just picked up some puppy shampoo, hypoallergenic shampoo for dogs. They had so many different ones, but I just got the one that said puppy on it just for now because he's not even 3 months old yet. But then I also picked up this, which is vanilla dog deodorizing spray, and it's for the dog's coat, and it's vegan friendly and it smells so nice. I thought that would be so good. And it's just blah 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 blah. It can be used as many times as you like. It can be used on puppies, it can be used on wet and dry coats, and it's basically just like a deodorant for dogs. And I thought that's such a lovely idea. It smells so lovely. When we picked him up, the breeder used something amazing on him because he still smells a little bit like vanilla, so that's why I picked that up. I then got him a couple of toys. I'm trying to get a lot of the not plush, the opposite, so toys that haven't got stuffing in them because he just rips the stuffing out of them. So this is like a squeak, it's got a squeaky at either end, and this is just like some kind of rabbit, so that's just like the skin. So those are really good. That's a really good tip if you're getting a dog that likes to like rip things, because the stuffing just comes out and then they try and eat it, so then you just constantly pulling stuffing out of their mouths. So yeah, try and get something that's not got stuff in. And on that, I bought him a rope pack. So this is a Little Paws Puppy's First Playtimes rope toy pack. And I picked this up because it's got 3 toys in there for £3, which I thought was so good. It's got like a little ball, a little tug toy, and then this other like rectangular sausage one. These are really good because he loves rope toys, but big rope toys are too big for him at the moment, so I really thought that was so good. If you're getting a little puppy, these little packs, I thought that was really a good idea for £3, so I got him that. Now we're getting stupid. I bought him a pet drying robe. So this has got like a little hood on and a little velcro bit. This was just £6, and I got this and I bought it in a medium. This is where it's really difficult at the moment. Obviously a Labrador would be extra large, but he's titchy at the moment, so I just picked him up a medium, and it's more for at the moment because the weather's so crap, so I got him that. Speaking of which, got him a little raincoat. He'll be going out on his first walks in a couple of weeks, so I just got him a small raincoat. This won't last him very long at all, and so I'll probably just resell it. Showerproof, lightweight, and I just got it in a small just for him when he goes out on his first couple of walks, because it's going to be like winter time and wet and horrible. Next up, I picked up a hat for Matt. Thermal insulated hat. It was only £4, but I thought he's going to love this because it's so thick and cosy, and he wears hats a lot, so I picked him that up. It's a 4.3 TOG rating, so if anybody has to take the kids out to football or go on dog walks, grab yourself one of these from B&M because it is so thick. He's going to love that. Okay, and then finally, there is some wine in there. I'll show you this actually. I picked this up, called the Shy Pig Juicy Red. I used to love Summer Red by Blossom Hill, and is it Blossom Hill or Gallo? I think it was Gallo Summer Red. They stopped doing it. Absolutely gutted. Then they brought out one called Jammy Red, and that was Barefoot Jammy Red. Can't get it anywhere. It's like a really sweet red wine, because I love red wine, but I really loved this. It was just so nice. Stopped doing that. Then I can't get Jammy Red. So anyway, I saw this in there, the Shy Pig Juicy Red. This was £4.99, so I'm going to give that a go because it said that that's a sweet wine, so I'm going to give that a go. I really like it over Christmas with cheese, although I probably shouldn't do that. Okay, next up I picked up these. So I think I told you when I did my Primark haul the other day that I picked up some Letters to Santa packs, and they were £1.30, but in B&M they had them for £1. So I obviously didn't get them even though they were lovely, because I'd already bought some, but I did get these. So these are the Santa's reply letter, and this is so cool. So you get a letter from Santa, a nice list, the envelope as well. So you get a letter from Santa, official North Pole nice list certificate, an envelope and a rosette for £1. I thought that was so good. So I'm going to send these with the letters to Santa, so that Santa can send this back if they've been good. Right, and then 2 more Christmassy bits. This I wanted last year and I didn't get it, and I'm so glad they had it in again because I did regret it. And it is this mistletoe. So it's not a wreath, it's actually a garland. It says wreath but it's not. You open it up and it's like a string of mistletoe. And so I got that for over the door in the kitchen. Like I say, I nearly picked it up last year but I didn't, and I was so gutted. So I'm going to use it this year. But you could, I suppose, you leave it as a wreath and put it above somewhere, like above the hob in the kitchen. That would be quite nice. Have I picked up the wrong one? No. Definitely this one that you can open up, she says. Okay, so I got that. That was £7 and it's in the Nordic Ice range. And then last but not least, I picked this up. This was what I actually went in for because we've got a plate at the moment, but this is just incredible and I really wanted it. And it is this Santa board for the night before Christmas. So it's got, dear Santa, have a Christmas Eve treat, here's a drink for you, here's some of your favourite snacks, and here's a carrot for Rudolph. And I really loved that because I always panic when I'm packing away the plate that it's going to break, and I just really liked that. I thought it was rustic, it was different, and it will last a lot longer. So obviously we'll still be able to put the plate out for now, but I loved this as an alternative because I just think it's loads better for storing. It's more safe. So yeah, that's everything I picked up from B&M. I know that was a big haul, but I really hope you enjoyed it, and it was nice to have just like do a chatty haul because I've missed doing these so much. But like I say, I really tried to not do as many like B&M home bargains hauls, and I know you love to see them, but I've tried to like do a lot more fashion hauls. And I know it's really difficult because, you know, you cannot please everybody. I've had people saying, you've said you do no hauls and now you're doing hauls, but people want to see the hauls. And like I think a few of my subscribers said, you know, they like to watch these videos because some people can't get out, and it's nice to see what is in the shops. And I suppose if you don't want to watch it, you don't have to. So I just have to put out content that I love, appreciate that you love to watch, and just go from there. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time guys, take care. Bye.